In the past month, there have been 2 incidents of a carbon monoxide leak that led to multiple people exposed.
Hundreds of people have been treated as a result of those exposures. News Channel 11's Belle Johnson spoke with the local fire department on the dangers of carbon monoxide and what precautions you should take.
It's a colorless and odorless gas created when natural fuels burn incompletely due to low oxygen amounts. Carbon monoxide can cause loss of consciousness, illness, or death. Matt Chase with the Bristol, Tennessee Fire Department says it is recommended to have carbon monoxide detectors around any home or building.
Any home or business that has any type of fuel burning appliance is very wise and sometimes required by code to have a carbon monoxide detector.
Chase says some businesses may not be required to have a detector due to varying fire and building codes.
Most codes deal with what type of service is provided, if the building's occupied 24 hours, or if it has certain populations, if it serves a certain purpose.
The Tennessee Department of Labor and Workforce Development says they do not have requirements for ambient carbon monoxide detectors. Chase says sometimes a business building will have a monitored alarm system through a company or an unmonitored detection service. He also says no matter what the requirement is, it is always recommended to have a detector in place as a precaution.
Anytime there's any type of gas appliance or fuel burning appliance that the carbon monoxide detection is in place, in the event that you have some sort of malfunction, early detection is significant in preventing any type of toxicity or carbon monoxide poisoning.
Chase says the Tennessee State Fire Marshal's office is also spreading awareness by adding carbon monoxide detectors to their Get Alarmed Tennessee program.
Meeting certain qualifications, you do qualify for a potential free carbon monoxide detector from the state themselves, or you could obtain those from your local fire department through their program.
And Chase also says to test the carbon monoxide detectors based on the manufacturer's recommendations and to also have all gas-powered appliances serviced regularly. In Bristol, Belle Johnson, News Channel 11.